with the mouth open.
Against the law.
Is that all yours?
Animals, let me know to my possible.
We went by the people behind us as well. Hey. We're at SeaWorld. Dead one. Or not. Dolphins. Alright, so we've gone through Turtle Trek. So they say there's no one here at this attraction, but we'll see. We will see. This is station 1. Alright, gonna check the counter. See how this goes. Infinity Falls is open. I go on it. Don't know. So here we are, walking by Icebreaker. Still under construction. And looks like the Wild Arctic ride portion that's under construction, but we're gonna go look at the exhibit, the habitat. Jordan,
Huh?
you want to look at the habitat?
Sure.
Okay, so we're going to the habitat.
Oh yeah, nothing's quite as cool. Aww.
So awesome to see the animals again, huh? Jordan. Yeah. Oh.
Riley's a little weird. He makes noises, he blows bubbles, he's flashy.
Oh.
Outside.
It's Wiley.
Yeah.
That's hilarious.
I refer to him as the halftime show.
Feels weird to be back here. Just saying. I used to do miss seeing the animals.
Right? Take a good jump out of the water. Thinking about it.
Where is he?
One's right there, and then there's two right there.
Yeah. I don't know. But let's keep going. Let's see this way. It is mating season. That's what it's like mating season for them. That's probably why they're like acting like what they're doing right now. Oop, being blocked.
Break it up. Break it up.
That's pretty cool. Oh, Jordan, there's a beluga. Beluga. Oh, those are the those are the ones that we saw that were. He said just like. He said throw it like a football. Just throw it. With the mouth open. See?
Against the law.
Is that all yours?
Yeah.
Alright,
go.
Healthy environment here at SeaWorld. Of course, we take things seriously. If you have any questions about our animals, let me know. To my a lot of best friends who are now getting our fishes, make sure to get that one-way flow as much as possible. At the top of
They're like, this is the best day ever.
as well. If you have any additional questions, keep an eye out for.
I think that's him right there. Yeah, that's him. I think it is. Nope, he's over there. Actually, no, he's over there. I think. Oh, Bronco's somewhere over here. Let's go see if he's around. Let's see if he's over here. Yep, he's over here somewhere. Found him. And he's moving away. Come on, Rocco. How did that one get over the zip-it? Like, get over the line.
Yeah.
Probably climbed the... Oh, there he is. Tell you what, it is hot out today. It's busy. Oh wait, they had the right operating today? Does it look like the right is operating?
Maybe.
Well, according to the app, it says no, but maybe they turned it on today because of all the people. That's the zip it only. So you want to do it?
Sure.
Oh, let's see.
Huh?
25-minute wait for this exhibit. Even though it's a queue line for the ride.
Are you videotaping the ground?
Huh?
I said, are you videoing the ground?
No. I'm actually not. So they said 20-minute wait?
25.
25? So we only waited like 11 minutes so far. So there's baby king one. We went by him. The people behind us, that's why. It is freezing in here. So, saying that some of the rides might be interrupted due to inclement weather. Rain. Because that portion is mechanical, so that's why. But, alright. How'd you rate this experience right now? Give or take. With the whole social distancing.
It's alright.
Like 1 to 10.
I don't know, maybe a 7.
I'm thinking more like around a 5. It's 50-50 on that one. Because when we were in Antarctica, the people behind us were like right on top of us almost, it felt like. Until we got into the showroom. But this is our view. Oh. Light goes down. Jordan. Oh, never mind. No. So, we're watching the dolphins. Starts in 13 minutes. Alright. Quick show. Look at all that. Good thing we're leaving now. See you real soon, SeaWorld.
SeaWorld is committed to the health and...
Hey everybody, hope you liked the video. So a couple things. One, I didn't film the actual beginning of the park because it was more of the body temperature scans and also the security, which they don't really like when people record the area. So I just went ahead and just not recorded it at all. Certain parts of the park were playing a lot of copyrighted music, so I was unable to do videos in certain sections of the park. So I went ahead and just took pictures instead. So me and my wife, we enjoyed it. Social distancing wise, to me, on a scale of 1 to 10, they were a 5. There's some areas people were social distancing, some areas were not. Some of the workers, were a little bit more strict. Some were strict, some were not. It just was weird, but it was a good experience. It was my first time back. It was our first time back to SeaWorld. But we did have a good experience at the Seafire Grill, and that was our first time going there. We've been to the barbecue place just across from it. But it was really good. We both had a grilled chicken wrap with French fries and Minute Maid lemonade. So we definitely gave that roughly a 9 out of 10. So, but all in all, it was a good experience. So we didn't really do too much. So we did a lot, but whatever we didn't do on this trip, we're going to be doing it on our next trip. So I will be posting a video about that too. So hope you all enjoyed this video. I may be an incognito for a couple days unless I have new content or some updated information. So I'm gonna try just at least one video a week, a minimum of one video a week. So we'll see how that goes. I might be next week, and I may plan on going to other cities that just show the historic portions, or even just do a nearby museum. So if you haven't done already, please like this video. If you like this video a lot, please subscribe to our channel. And also click the bell notification, which is right next to the subscribe button. So you can see a lot more videos that come out. And as soon as they come out, you'll be one of the first ones to view the video. And yes, I'm a little bit sunburned, but it's whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and so, all right, so take care.